back to Lead Tutors Extra-Murals. I am Kami. Let's go to the questions from the year 2019. The passage below has gaps numbered 1 to 10. Immediately following each gap, 4 options are provided. Choose the most appropriate option for each gap. So I will be taking the reading and the options together. The economic miracle of the so-called Asian tigers was subject to much debate and analysis in the early 1990s among economists. There are basically 2 schools of thoughts. One, that the Asian tiger's economic miracle was the case of miracles beyond the free market, and so to repeat such miracles or something near it do not leave the economy to the invisible hands of the free market with its sometimes profoundly antisocial overtones. There was a place for, and indeed a great virtue in, state intervention. The other group believed that it was not so much a miracle that was either beyond the free market or, for that matter, one induced by equally predictable, even invisible hands of politicians and policy makers. The Asian practice was rather one of the cultural phenomena blending with good policies to produce a delightful and desirable spectacle of progress and prosperity. The concern of the economists was how to safely stimulate and then apply the Asian prescription to replicate such man-made miracles in many other countries of the world, enduring risk of unrelenting and aggravating poverty. Let's have like this structure and oral forms. In each of the questions 1 to 13, choose the option that has the stress on the first syllable. You have the first, second, third, fourth options. So the option with the stress on the first syllable is integral. Option B is intact and not intact. Option C is negotiate and not negotiate. Option D is about. So the stress is on the second syllable for about, the second syllable for negotiate, the second syllable for intact, and we have integral having the stress on the first syllable. Question 12, you have understand, afternoon, taxi, address. So you see that the stress is on taxi on the first syllable, while others take the stress or have their stress on the second syllables. 13, we have reproduce, conduce, renewal, but option D is calendar. So you have your stress on the first syllable for calendar and not calendar. In each of these questions 14 to 28, choose the option that best completes the gaps. The brave hunter killed dash in the forest. The option for this is B, big black spitting cobra. Big black spitting cobra. 15, the dash robber showed no mercy during the attack. The ruthless robber showed no mercy. 16, despite all preparation, the wedding did not come off. To come off means to succeed. So the wedding did not come off, did not succeed. 17, Olu brought his clothes and those of his dash. Here's a very tricky question. The answer is senior brothers. Now, you can rephrase this sentence to have Olu brought his clothes and his senior brother's clothes. So don't make the mistake to choose senior brother or elder brothers. The correct option is senior brothers. It is a possessive noun. 18. His father hardly misses the news because he goes about with his dash radio. You have potable, you have pointable, portable, and pocketable. Now here is a very tricky question. You have potable and portable. Potable means safe for drinking, while portable means easy to carry along. So potable, option C. 19. Did you have dash when you went to visit the medical doctor? You meant to pick the option with the right spelling. So you have B, d.diarrhoea. That's the British spelling. And the other option A is American. Because we have the British language as our official language, the appropriate option is B with the British spelling. 20. If he dashed for admission, I am sure he would succeed. The correct option is D. If he applied for admission, I am sure he would succeed. Thank you very much. I hope you learned something from this session. Remember to subscribe.